Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to crochet a bullion stitch. Okay, so you need two hooks. Okay, if you have the one that is like flat, but I don't have because I use this kind of thing, so I can't really use it. So what I did is I'm going to use this Tunisian crochet hook and this knitting needle. Okay, so this one is 3mm hook, and with this one is 4.5. All you need to do is just type it together. Okay, just make sure that you leave a gap there. Okay, and it moves anyway. Okay, so we need this in our project to make this bullion. Okay, to start with, just use your other needle. Okay, because this is it's really not easy to work with. Okay, and we are going to make some foundation chain, and some stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, still 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I'm going to make a double crochet. Sorry guys, no, we're not going to do a double crochet, but we're going to do a single crochet. Okay, so just do a single crochet. Okay, just to have that foundation. Okay, you can do a double crochet or whatever you prefer. Okay, but with mine I'm just going to do a single crochet. Okay, so single crochet. Okay, 2 rows and 2 rows of single crochet, and I'll come back and see you what to do next, guys. Okay guys, so I am here. Okay, so what are we going to do is chain 4. Okay, so chain 4, and we have to pull this up, insert both hooks, and we are going to wrap 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and hold there and then push it back and just hold it there, and then we are going to insert here and insert 1 hook and then pull up the loop. Okay, and then tighten it up, and then just pull this down and then pull this up. Okay, and then you can then, as you can see, okay, you can then adjust, okay, how long you want your bullion. Okay, and to finish this off, okay, just chain 1 in there. Okay, so that is our first bullion stitch. Okay, and from here insert both of the loops, both of the hooks again, and wrap 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and pull that down. Okay, and we're going to insert 1 loops only. Okay, 1 hooks. Okay, and then pull the loop up, as you can see, and push this down. just like that, and adjust. Okay, and then single crochet there, chain one. Okay, so I'll repeat that again. Insert both hooks. Okay, wrap 6 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push it down. Okay, and from here we are going to insert here, and we are going to pull up our yarn. Okay, pull up the loop, and then we're going to pull this up and push this down, as you can see. Okay, so one more time. Insert, wrap 6 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, push it down, hold it there, and then insert in the next. Okay, one loop, and then pull out the loop, just like that. And then from here we are going to push this down and pull all the loops in our hook, and then chain one to complete. Okay, so that is how I make my bullion stitch, guys. Okay, I'll let you finish, and then I will show you what to do when we get here. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is how it looks like. Okay, so now I'm just grabbing my normal crochet hook. Okay, and we are going to finish our row. Okay, so we're just going to double crochet there. So next is chain one. Okay, and then we are going to turn our work. Okay, so here we are going to single crochet. Okay, and in the next stitch, single crochet, and we are just going to do a single crochet going back. Okay, so how many stitches you have here that is how the stitches you have on the top. Okay, so just count that, guys. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So it's supposed to be, we have 17 there as well. Okay, so do that, guys, and then when I got to the end, I will going to show you. Okay, I'm going to change my color. Okay, and I'll meet you up there. Okay guys, so as I mentioned, okay, so we got here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change, and this is just like a normal, okay, a normal or a small yarn. Okay, so we will do, I will show you the difference. Okay, so from here we're just going to 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, and from there I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, and how it looks like. Okay, so we are going to still do the same, but because we are using a small yarn, okay, we are wrapping it more. Okay, so 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so instead of 6 with the big one, okay, we are going to do 10 wraps. Okay, but it's still the same. Okay, this is just the pull out. Okay, and you just have to adjust, okay, how long, how high do you want it to be. Okay, so insert, okay, wrap 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and push that down and insert into the next and pull up the yarn and pull this through. Okay, and then adjust and secure. Okay, so I'll do that again. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then push it down and insert, pull up the yarn, okay, and pull this up, pull through and adjust and then secure. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, that it looks like with the small one, and this is with the big one. Okay, so that is how I make my bullion stitch, guys. Hopefully you like this video and you like the looks of it. Okay, that is really pretty. Okay, and thank you very much, guys. Thank you for all your support, and if you like this video, please leave a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button and notification bell, and so you get notified every time I will post a new video. And for all my subscribers, thank you very much, guys, and hopefully you like this video, and I will see you to the next video. Bye.